Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and I really appreciate you for checking out my video on how to convert your BTC to USDT on Binance. Okay, now I understand there are a whole lot of videos on YouTube where you can actually watch how to convert your BTC to USDT, but some of those videos are archaic and kind of long process for you to do the conversion. Now Binance has a very new easy system on their platform where you can actually convert your USDT to BTC. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to convert your BTC to USDT rather, sorry. So I'm just going to show you the easy step to convert your BTC to USDT. So what you need to do because this tutorial I'm taking it on the app, so it's better you do it on the app so that you can easily understand it. So what you need to do is when you get to the home, just click on this more. I will appreciate if you follow my finger. Look at this more. You click on this more. Okay. Now when you click on more, it brings you into this interface. I've decided to there are other methods of doing it, but this is the simplest way of doing it. So that is the reason why I'm actually showing you this particular method of doing it. It brings you to this interface. Then you come down here and you click on convert. Just click on this button, convert. When you click on convert, it brings you to this interface. Right? It brings you to this interface. Remember, we are converting our BTC to USDT. So what we'll do now is this. This is it. It's a from BTC to Ethereum, but we're going to change this Ethereum to USDT. So we're going to click on this, then we'll click on USDT here, right? Then we click on confirm. Okay, so now we are going to convert our BTC to USDT. Like I rightly told you, see, this video is going to be very short because it's straight to the point. So what we'll do now is you type the number of BTC that you want to convert to USDT here. Okay, let's assume you want to convert 1 BTC, you just type 1 BTC. If you want to convert 12 BTC, you convert 12 BTC, you write it here. But in the case of this tutorial, I'm going to click on max, right? Because I'm converting all of my BTC into USDT, right? After clicking on max, what you do next is to click on preview conversion, right? So I click on preview conversion. Like you can rightly see, it's telling me now that I'm converting my BTC to USDT, right? You see quote expired, please request for a new quote. So what you need to be very fast about the conversion here, but it will give you the accurate number of coin you are converting. Okay, so I just need to click on refresh, then I click on convert, right? So you can see processing, conversion successful. You can see conversion successful. That goes to tell you that I have successfully converted my BTC to USDT. You can see how simple the method is. That is the reason why I prefer to use this method on Binance, because it's very, very easy. You don't need to waste much time on it. Okay, let's click on view history. Okay, as you can see, this is the conversion. You can see I converted the BTC to USDT, which is $20 BTC. Okay, and this is it. It says completed here, right? So that is just the easiest way to convert your BTC to USDT on Binance. Let's go home and you see that the BTC, this is my spot wallet actually. You can see I don't have BTC here anymore. The BTC has been converted into USDT. Okay, so this is just the easiest and the simplest way to actually convert your BTC to USDT. If you find value in this video, I want to really encourage you to like this video and also click on the subscription button so that when next I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, you liking and subscribing to this channel will actually help the channel to grow as I drop valuable videos like virtually every day. So I really appreciate your subscription and your like. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.